My topic is Educational Management Meaning, Nature, Scope, and Importance, done by CHRISTINA ELILMATHI. And these are the contents. And now we are going to see about educational management and meaning. Educational management. Educational management refers to the process of planning, organizing, coordinating, and controlling resources in educational institutions to achieve educational goals and objectives. Educational management importance. Enhance learning environment. Well managed educational institutions create a conducive atmosphere for learning, fostering student engagement and academic achievement. Quality education. It plays a pivotal role in maintaining and improving the quality of education through curriculum development, teacher training, and continuous improvement strategies. Stakeholder collaboration. It fosters positive relationship among teachers, students, parents, and the community, creating a supportive network for the educational institution. Strategic planning. Educational management facilitates long-term planning, aligning institutional goals with educational objectives and societal needs. Student performance. Educational management influences teaching methodologies and support systems, directly impacting student performance and success. Financial stability. Sound financial management within educational institutions ensures sustainability and the ability to invest in necessary resources and facilities. Community impact. Well managed educational institutions positively contribute to the community by producing well educated and skilled individuals can contribute meaningfully and healthy society. Optimal resource utilization. Educational management ensures efficient use of resources including time, finance, and personnel, maximizing the impact on educational outcomes. Education management and its scope. Scope. Curriculum development. Designing and implementing effective curriculum strategies to meet education objectives for student learning. Quality assurance. Implementing measures to access and improve the quality of education provided, including evaluations, accreditation, and continuous improvement process. Technology integration. Inappropriating technology into educational process to enhance teaching and learning methods. Community engagement. Building and maintaining positive relationships with parents, community members, and other stakeholders to enhance support and collaboration. Strategic planning. Developing long term goals, aligning them with the institution's mission, and adapting the changes in educational trends. Policy development. Creating and implementing policies that align with educational goals, standards, and regulations. Educational management and nature. Education management is goal oriented. The primary focus of education management is to achieve educational goals and objectives such as improving student learning outcomes, enhancing the quality of education, and ensuring the effective use of resources. Education management is a social process. Education management involves interactions between people and groups, including students, teachers and administrators, parents, and community members. Education management is dynamic. Educational institutions operate in a constantly changing environment, and effective educational management requires the ability to adapt to changing circumstances and respond to emerging issues and challenges. Educational management is multidisciplinary. Thank you.